In this situation, suppose that my friend is thinking about playing a sport to stay healthy, and there are three possible options, including tennis, marathons, and football. I believe that marathons would be the best choice for several reasons. To commence with, running marathons is very good for health and helps build strong muscles and a healthy heart. Indeed, it also helps improve stamina and keeps the body in good shape. Moreover, my friend can run anytime and anywhere. In other words, it does not require special equipment or a team, so it is easy to start and follow regularly. In contrast, tennis is not a perfect option because it needs a partner, a court, and sometimes lessons to play well. Similarly, I think that football should not be chosen because it requires many players and a large field, which can be hard to arrange. All in all, based on the above ideas, I suppose that marathons would be the best solution in this situation.